So I've learned quite a bit already on this first shakedown moto camping trip. Things I should bring that I didn't. Things that I brought that I need to change up, and particularly the tent. The tent's kind of a pain in the ass. I think I have another one that's easier to set up. Slightly larger packing, but probably the right thing to do. So, but as I expected, I'm kind of bored. I should have brought more beer. So it's bright and early. Got lots of people that came into the campground last night. Very late. Some of them like 11 o'clock. All things considered, I slept okay. There's some things I need to work out on my sleeping arrangements. Except for the tent. This is everything else. So I've got the bike loaded back up this morning. Not exactly the same as it was when I came, but it's all on there. And I think it's secure, so I'm going to wake up this campground here before too long and go home.